In the Mumbai civic mayhem, an innocent life was lost. A 45-year-old woman drowned in an open drain. These are visuals from yesterday. Mumbai was completely brought to a standstill after hours of heavy rainfall. Though, of course, there was no overnight rain this morning as well. Things started limping back to normalcy. But Delhi's civic mess, Mumbai's civic mess, I beg your pardon, was completely exposed with that open drain. In fact, now a high-level inquiry has also been ordered. The victim's husband has also filed a complaint with the Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Let me go across to my colleague Paras Zama joining us live from Mumbai. So Paras, the victim's husband has now filed a complaint, but a high-level inquiry has also been ordered. Who is heading this inquiry? Give us more details on that. And also, larger questions on the open drain menace that remains such a big problem in our metropolitan cities.
Rightly said, Vedant, this is a major matter of concern in whole over Mumbai from last few years, because we had seen many incidents like this from last few years. Every year, BMC claims that they had done all the preparation for the rains, but this type of situation always occur in Mumbai, and there are many lives that get lost due to not having a proper packaging on this type of manholes, which has been seen in Mumbai metropolitan region or in suburb from last few years. So in this entire unfortunate incident which has happened yesterday night, a 45-year-old woman was drowned and she was dead. Her body was recovered at 11:30 in the night, and after that the process was started in this entire matter. Now the husband of this victim went to the police station to file an FIR against BMC. In this entire matter now police has registered an accidental death report, and police is saying that they are going to investigate thoroughly in this entire matter. So now police has registered the ADR, and also BMC has taken a major step. They had formed a committee who will be investigating in this entire matter, and BMC commissioner has given 3-day time to the committee members to investigate into this entire matter. So yes, this is an unfortunate incident which has happened in Mumbai. There are major lapses that we see every year from BMC or from the local authorities, but there is no stoppage to this type of incident, and no authorities are coming forward that it was their fault. So it is the story of every year, Vedant, which is happening this year also.
Absolutely. Paras, thanks very much for joining us with the latest there. So the victim's husband filing a complaint with the BMC. But what about this particular area where this incident took place? My colleague Sunil Singh, in fact, sent us this report from Andheri, from that very spot where the woman fell into that open drain. Take a look.
अंधेरीपुर में सबे के पास देखिए अभी तक ये ढक्कन खुला था, और जो हमको देखा है इन्होंने तब इसे बंद कर दिया है। ये वो जगह है जहाँ पर कि पानी भर जाता है और कम से कम यहाँ तक पानी आ जाता है, और ऐसे में अगर कोई अनजाने में पानी के बीच में से चलते हुए जो लोग निकलते हैं, वो ऐसे में अगर बहकर उस तरफ चले जाएं तो सीधे उस नाले में जा सकते थे। और ऐसा ही हादसा अंधेरी पूर्व में MIDC में हुआ, जब एक महिला 45 साल की रात के समय 10 बजे के करीब वो जब जा रही थी, तभी वो जो सड़क पर गटर खुला हुआ था, ढक्कन खुला हुआ था, उसमें गिर गई और उसकी मौत हो गई। इसी तरह का हादसा पहले भी मुंबई में हुआ है, लेकिन अभी तक BMC ने लगता है कुछ सबक नहीं लिया है, जबकि मामला उस समय हाई कोर्ट में भी गया था, और हाई कोर्ट के बाद से कई सुनवाई हुई थी, और ये कहा गया था कि जितने भी इस तरह के मेन होल हैं उन पर एक जाली लगाई जानी चाहिए ताकि कोई अंदर गिरे नहीं। तो यहाँ जाली तो लगाई गई है, लेकिन इसे अभी खुला हुआ रखा गया था। हो सकता है कि जब पानी भर गया हो तब पानी जाने के लिए ये निकाला गया, यहाँ पर ये खोल दिया गया हो, लेकिन ये खुला हुआ था, और जब पानी उतर गया है तब कम से कम इसे बंद कर देना चाहिए था, लेकिन उन्होंने बंद नहीं किया था। तो ये कह पाना बहुत मुश्किल है कि ये पानी यहाँ से निकालने के लिए खोला गया था, क्योंकि जो पानी है पूरा प्रवाह वो इस तरफ नहीं आता है, बल्कि पूरा जो इलाके का जो पानी है ऊपरी हिस्सा है वो सब इस तरफ नाले में जाता है, खास करके अंधेरी का सबवे।